Hi guys, today we'll be going over the problem remove duplicates from sorted array. It's an easy level problem, again frequently asked in Facebook interviews. So let's go over the problem first. Given an sorted array nums, remove the duplicates in place. So that's the first condition, that we need to rearrange the elements in an array and not use any extra memory. Such that each element appear only once and return the new length. So here we are returning the integer which is new length, but our input array should be rearranged such that all the unique characters are at the first. Okay, so do not allocate any extra space. So let's see, given in example 112, we need to return 2 because there exists only two unique characters, 1 comma 2, and that should be our sequence in an array. First integer should be 1 and second integer should be 2. And in this case the return length should be 5 and our array should contain 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are multiple hints, but we'll go ahead and just go through the example and get our logic first. Let's try to figure out the logic for this example, right? Let's say we take two pointers, I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0. Always in the base case, num of j will always be equal to num of I. Okay, so let's say we increment I to 1. So I will be pointing to here. Then we need to compare if num of I is equal to num of I minus 1. If it is yes, then we just go forward. Okay, so in this case, num of I is equal to num of I minus 1. So we increment again I to 2. So in this case, num of 2 is not equal to num of 1. So what do? We copy num of 2 to num of j. Okay, so in this case, num of 2 is 2. We copy to num of j. J previously was 1. So we copy here. Okay, so let me start writing the code, and once I am done with the code, you'll have a clear understanding of the logic. So as I said, we need to take two pointers, I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. So let's handle the base case as well. Num if the input vector is of size 0, then we return 0. Okay. Then we start traversing from I is equal to 1 till we reach the end of the vector, and we increment it every time. So here we have just one condition, if nums of I is, if it is not equal to its previous integer, that is I minus 1, then we copy nums of I to nums of j. Once we copy, we need to increment j so that whenever we copy next time, we copy to the next element. Okay, after this we return j. Let's run the code. Look like we got our expected answer. Let's submit the code. Looks like it's an accepted solution, and it's like one of the fastest solution as well. So this is an easy problem. Please do let me know if you have any inputs or any concerns regarding this solution. And until next time, keep learning every day. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.